Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Beginner Speaking Podcast. I am Sophia, and today we are going to practice how to explain a problem in English. This lesson is for beginner and intermediate learners who want to speak clearly when something is wrong, broken, confusing, delayed, or missing. Problems happen every day. Your phone may stop working. Your order may be late. Your computer may freeze. You may feel lost, confused, or worried. When this happens, English can help you explain the situation calmly. Take a slow breath. Relax your mouth. Let us begin with clear problem English. Explaining a problem is an important life skill. You may need it at work, school, shops, airports, phone calls, or with a friend. Many learners know the word problem, but they do not know how to explain the details. They say, problem, and then they stop. Today, we will learn a structure. First, say what happened. Second, say what is wrong. Third, say what you need. This structure can help you speak even when you feel nervous. For example, my phone fell. Now the screen is broken. I need help fixing it. Let us start with the most useful sentence. I have a problem. Say it slowly. I have a problem. You can add with, I have a problem with my phone. I have a problem with my computer. I have a problem with my order. I have a problem with my payment. I have a problem with my account. The phrase with my helps you name the thing. You can also say, there is a problem with. There is a problem with the internet. There is a problem with the machine. There is a problem with the ticket. Both patterns are very useful. Now, practice asking for help. Excuse me, I have a problem with my ticket. Could you help me, please? Excuse me, there is a problem with my bill. Could you check it? Excuse me, I think there is a mistake. Could you help me understand this? The words excuse me and could you make your problem sound calm and respectful. This is important in English. A calm voice often gets better help than an angry voice. Now let us talk about wrong. You can say, something is wrong. Something is wrong with my phone. Something is wrong with the internet. Something is wrong with this machine. This means you do not know the exact problem, but you know it is not working correctly. You can also say, it is not working. My phone is not working. The printer is not working. The app is not working. The payment machine is not working. Now let us learn broken. Broken means something does not work because it is damaged. My phone is broken. The screen is broken. The chair is broken. The zipper on my bag is broken. The door handle is broken. You can also say, it broke yesterday. My phone broke yesterday. The handle broke this morning. Be careful. Broken describes the thing now. Broke describes what happened in the past. The screen is broken. It broke when I dropped it. Let us practice explaining damage. Damage means harm to something. You can say, my bag is damaged. The package arrived damaged. The box is damaged. The product is damaged. The screen is cracked. Cracked means there is a line or break in glass, plastic, or another hard material. My phone screen is cracked. The cup is cracked. The mirror is cracked. If something has a hole, say, there is a hole in my shirt. There is a hole in the bag. If something is leaking, say, the bottle is leaking. The pipe is leaking. Now, let us talk about missing things. Missing means you cannot find something, or something is not there. You can say, my bag is missing. My keys are missing. One item is missing from my order. My receipt is missing. My luggage is missing. If you lost something, say, I lost my wallet. I lost my phone. I lost my ticket. Lost usually means you had it before, but now you cannot find it. Missing can mean lost or not included. For example, my package arrived, but one item is missing. This is useful for shopping and delivery problems. Let us practice missing item sentences. I ordered 3 items, but only 2 arrived. One item is missing. I paid for this product, but it was not in the box. My luggage did not arrive. My wallet is missing. I cannot find my keys. I think I lost my card. Could you help me, please? These sentences are clear because they explain what should be there and what is not there. Now let us talk about late and delayed. Late means not on time. Delayed means something is later than planned. My bus is late. My order is late. My payment is late. My flight is delayed. The meeting is delayed. The delivery is delayed. If you are waiting, say, I am still waiting for my order. I am still waiting for a reply. I am still waiting for my package. Still means the situation continues. If you want help, say, could you check the status, please? Status means current situation. For example, could you check the status of my order? Let us practice delay sentences. My package was supposed to arrive yesterday, but it has not arrived yet. My flight was supposed to leave at 10, but it is delayed. The meeting was supposed to start at 9, but it has not started. The repair was supposed to be finished today, but it is not ready. The phrase was supposed to means something was planned or expected. Now let us talk about mistakes. A mistake is something incorrect. You can say, I think there is a mistake. I think this price is wrong. I think my name is spelled wrong. I think I received the wrong item. I think this is the wrong size. I think this is the wrong address. Use I think because it sounds polite. You are not attacking the person. You are saying maybe there is a problem. For example, excuse me, I think there is a mistake on the bill. Could you check it, please? This is calm and respectful. Let us practice wrong item sentences. I ordered a blue shirt, but I received a black shirt. I ordered a large size, but I received a small size. I asked for tea, but I got coffee. I booked a room with 1 bed, but this room has 2 beds. I think this is the wrong order. Could you please check it? These sentences explain expectation and reality. I ordered this, but I received that. I asked for this, but I got that. Now let us learn computer or phone problems. You can say, my computer is slow. My phone is frozen. The app keeps closing. The screen is blank. I cannot log in. I forgot my password. The internet is not working. The Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting. The battery dies quickly. The sound is not working. If you do not know the exact word, use simple English. Say, when I open the app, it closes. When I enter my password, it says error. When I call, I cannot hear anything. Simple explanation is enough. A useful pattern is when I click the button, it does not work. When I open the file, it shows an error. When I call, the sound cuts off. When I charge my phone, the battery does not go up. When I try to pay, the card is declined. Another pattern is I tried to log in, but it did not work. I tried to call, but the line was busy. I tried to pay, but the machine did not accept my card. Now let us talk about confusion. Sometimes the problem is not a broken thing. The problem is confusion. You can say, I do not understand the instructions. I am confused about this part. I am not sure what to do next. I do not know how to use this. I need someone to explain it. Could you explain it again? Could you show me step by step? This phrase is very helpful for learning, work, technology, and official forms. Say, could you show me step by step? Let us practice confusion sentences. I understand the first part, but I do not understand the second part. I read the instructions, but they are not clear. I tried to fill out the form, but I got confused. I do not know which option to choose. Could you help me with this section? This sounds calm and specific. If you say only, I do not understand, the helper may not know where to start. If you say, I do not understand this section, it is easier to help you. Now, let us talk about explaining problems at work. You can say, I have a problem with this task. I am not sure how to finish it. The deadline is very close. I need more information. The file is missing. The customer is waiting. The system is not working. I made a mistake and I want to fix it. These sentences are honest and professional. At work, do not hide problems for too long. Explain early. Say, I wanted to let you know there is a problem. This phrase is polite and responsible. Let us practice work problem phrases. I wanted to let you know that the report is not ready yet. I need more time to finish it. I found an error in the document. I am working on a solution. I am sorry for the mistake. I will fix it today. I need help with this part. Could you check this before I send it? These sentences show responsibility. They do not only complain, they explain the problem and show action. Say what is wrong and say what you will do next. Now let us talk about school problems. You can say, I did not understand the homework. I could not open the file. I missed the class. I forgot my notebook. I am having trouble with this lesson. I studied, but I still do not understand. Could you explain it again? Could I have more time? If you missed a class, say, I was absent yesterday. Could you tell me what we studied? Absent means not present. If you need more time for homework, say, I am sorry, but I need one more day. Could I submit it tomorrow? Now, let us talk about problems in shops or restaurants. At a shop, you can say, this item is damaged. I would like to return it. I bought this yesterday, but it does not work. I have the receipt. Could I get a refund? Refund means money back. Could I exchange it? At a restaurant, say, excuse me, I think this is not what I ordered. This food is cold. Could you warm it up, please? There is a mistake with my order. Stay polite. Polite problem English is strong English. Let us practice service problem sentences. I bought this, but it is broken. I ordered this online, but it arrived damaged. I paid for 2 items, but I received 1. I asked for no onions, but there are onions. The bill looks wrong. Could you check it, please? This is the wrong size. Could I exchange it? These sentences help you solve problems without sounding rude. You can be firm and polite at the same time. Now let us talk about emotional problems. Sometimes you need to explain that you feel stressed, worried, tired, or overwhelmed. Overwhelmed means there is too much pressure. You can say, I feel stressed because I have too much to do. I feel worried about this situation. I feel overwhelmed and I need help. I am tired and I cannot focus. I need a short break. These sentences are useful with friends, family, teachers, or coworkers. You do not need to tell every detail. You can say enough to be understood. It is okay to ask for support. Now, let us learn how to organize a problem explanation. Use 5 parts. Part 1, what happened? Part 2, when it happened? Part 3, what is wrong now? Part 4, what you already tried. Part 5, what help you need? You can use this structure for many problems. Let us practice another 5-part explanation. I placed an order last week. It was supposed to arrive yesterday. It has not arrived yet. I checked the tracking number, but there is no update. Could you check the status, please? Another example. I tried to log in this morning. The website showed an error. I reset my password, but it still does not work. Could you help me access my account? Notice how the problem becomes easy to understand because the steps are clear. Now let us ask for solutions. You can say, what should I do? How can we fix this? Can you help me solve this? What is the next step? Is there another option? Can I get a replacement? Can I get a refund? Can someone call me back? Could you send me the information again? These questions help move the conversation forward. Do not only explain the problem, ask for the next step. A problem explanation should lead to action. Let us practice solution sentences. What can I do now? Could you help me fix it? Could you send a replacement? Could you check the information? Could you give me more time? Could I speak with a manager? Could you explain the next step? I would like to solve this today if possible. This phrase sounds polite. You can say, I would like to solve this as soon as possible. As soon as possible means very soon. Now imagine a learner named Daniel. Daniel buys a new pair of headphones. At home, he opens the box and connects them to his phone. The sound does not work. At first, he feels frustrated. He wants to return to the shop, but he is nervous about explaining the problem in English. He writes a simple sentence before he goes. I bought these headphones yesterday, but the sound is not working. I tried them with my phone, but nothing changed. Could you help me, please? He practices the sentence 3 times. At the shop, Daniel speaks slowly. Excuse me, I have a problem with these headphones. I bought them yesterday, but the sound is not working. The worker asks, did you try another device? Daniel says, yes, I tried my phone and my laptop. The sound still does not work. The The worker checks the headphones and says they are defective. Daniel receives a replacement. He feels proud. He did not speak perfectly, but he explained the problem clearly. Later, Daniel understands the lesson. He did not need advanced English. He needed a clear structure. I bought them yesterday. The sound is not working. I tried 2 devices. Could you help me? This structure solved the problem. Daniel starts using it in other situations too. At work, he says, I found an error in the file. At school, he says, I do not understand this part. Online, he says, I tried to log in, but the page shows an error. You can practice like Daniel. Think about one small problem in your life. Maybe your phone is slow. Maybe your internet is weak. Maybe you missed a message. Maybe you cannot understand a lesson. Now, explain it in 4 sentences. Something happened. Something is wrong now. I tried something. I need help. For example, my internet stopped working last night. Now I cannot join my online class. I restarted the router, but it still does not work. Could you help me fix it? Let us build your problem sentence bank. I have a problem with. Something is wrong with. It is not working. It is broken. It stopped working. One item is missing. My order is late. I think there is a mistake. I received the wrong item. I do not understand the instructions. I tried to, but could you check it, please? What should I do? Could you help me fix this? I would like to solve this. Thank you for your help. Now let us do final speaking practice. Answer these questions slowly. What problem do you need to explain? When did it start? What is wrong now? What did you already try? Who can help you? What question can you ask? How can you stay polite? Pause when you need time. You can answer simply, I have a problem with my phone. It stopped working this morning. I tried charging it, but it still does not work. Could you help me, please? That is clear, calm, and useful English. Stay clear and patient. A clear problem sentence can change a stressful moment into a solvable conversation, so practice these phrases before you truly need them in real life. Before we finish, remember this. Explaining a problem in English does not need to be difficult. Start with the main issue. Say what happened. Say when it happened. Say what is wrong now. Say what you tried. Then ask for help or the next step. Use phrases like, I have a problem with. Something is wrong with. It is not working. I tried to, but could you check it, please? What should I do? Stay calm, polite, and specific. Thank you for listening to Beginner Speaking Podcast. I am Sophia, and I am proud of you for practicing today. Keep listening, keep repeating, and keep explaining problems with clear confidence. Your English voice is growing. One calm sentence, one useful detail, and one solved problem at a time.